All right, we should be live now. So today we need to do three lead code problems. One is really hard and Queens is really hard. I have heard about this problem but haven't really solved it. And today I will solve it. Um, and Queens. Oh, they've got n Queens too, which has higher acceptance rate. All right. So, uh, on a one mathematics channel, I heard that it is sometimes okay to not sacrifice, but compromise your understanding of a problem for the sake of speed. Like if you don't understand something, don't just stay on that problem forever. Leave that thing and go to other stuff, right? Do other work, which is also important. Don't bang your head against one problem. So, all right, we have this problem. We're taking a vector of strings. This is how it looks like. So we have a string which, yeah, vector strings. All right. The n queens puzzle is the problem of placing n queens on an n by n chessboard such that no two queens attack each other. This is a hard problem because queens attack vertically, horizontally, dia and diagonally. Attacking, yeah. Given an integer n, return all distinct solutions to the n queens puzzle. You may return answer in any order. So if we are given a normal 8 by 8 chessboard, we have to place 8 by 8 8 by 8 queens so that they do not attack each other. Each solution contains a distinct board configuration of the n queens placement, where q and dot both indicate a queen and an empty space respectively. So input, we take n, 4. We have to, yeah, we have to come back with all the solutions, right? So there can be different solutions. Obviously, like in this case, n equals 4, the chessboard is just vertically mirrored. I don't know if this is the right term, but yeah. Um, like this, the chessboards are symmetrical on this line, basically. And also on this line as well, right? Yeah, on this line as well. All right. Well, how do we start? Like, this is one of those problems that I don't even know how do we start. We have to place a queen somewhere and then, iteratively place other queens. Like this will be n, and then we'll have to place n minus 1 queens. This is the basic idea, and like if queens attack, no, I think we can, um, I think we can place a queen so that it does not attack. Does not anyone. place other queens so that they do not attack. And then place other queens, and then backtrack, meaning place that previous queen, recent queen, somewhere else. This is a very interesting problem to solve. The chessboard can be represented as a vector of strings. String size will be 4. The string size will be n, really, and we'll have n strings. Placing a queen on a xy coordinate means that the queen is standing here, but we cannot place other queens like elsewhere here, like all this, like this horizontal line, this vertical line, these diagonal lines are not free. And by placing a queen, I don't know basically like how to choose, like how to say that, all right, we place the queen here, but these places are now taken. I don't know how to do that. Like dot dot, okay, I get the dot dot. All right, at first, like we generate a vector of string like chessboard, and this has to be, the size has to be n, and the line, like string of n size, the string of n dot dot dots. I don't know how to create the string in a line, but I can certainly create it. Oh, I think I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT. You know what? How to create string of n dots in Civic. Oh, all right. This is an interesting thing. This will work, right? The result will be, can the result be outside of this scope? I think yes. I'm just doing this so that I will not have to pass this variable in a function signature as a reference. All right, now we have a chessboard. We probably have a chessboard. Like, all right, now return result. Now, this is not solution, not even close. We're just getting started. But does this compile? It's a very interesting question. Does this compile? And it does, and it's great. So we can do that. We can initialize a variable here, and not initialize, but declare variable here and then return here. We can also initialize a chessboard in this way, which is really good. Now we need to, all right, like Q means there is a queen here. Let's say that T means that that place is taken. That place is taken, right? I think I will need a helper function, which I'm gonna implement right here. Just gonna return a vector of a vector of pair of twins, basically. Get free places, get free positions, get free positions, and it takes in a chessboard, basically, and it like the chessboard, right? Like now, what do we do? Right, pair. Right, this is a bare bone of this is a skeleton of our function. We need to iterate for horizontal this is y, right? Like this is y. Like let's call this y, and y is less than chessboard 0.size y plus plus, and we also need an x coordinate, and all right, let's just give it n. Just stupid n. Say n. Just say n. We don't need a chessboard. All right. X is less than this. Y is da da da. Da 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 da. So if y index. So if chessboard y and x equals to this, then a result will push back I think this returns positions, free positions where queens can be placed, like y and x coordinate that gives us the position, right? Okay. We have a chessboard. Now we need a helper function. I'm going to call a helper function, guys. What are we going to need? We will probably need to call n. Really? Is the live going? Yeah, it's going. Alright, someone is watching it. It's okay. One thing I'm worried about is that, all these for loops is gonna cost us a lot of time. Like this could probably take, this is an n squared algorithm already. And get free positions is n squared. We will also have to set all the positions, which is gonna be 2n operations. Like setting a queen, that's gonna be setting not 2n but maybe 4n, because we also need to set taken bits, which is all the vertical and horizontal and diagonal lines. This is like roughly going to be like maybe 4n at max, because well, vertical and diagonal, but well, vertical and horizontal is gonna be 2n, but the diagonals here are just gonna be, at most n probably. That's an interesting thing to think about. Like, if we start here, the diagonals is gonna be this plus this. So it can be up to 4n, probably. Maybe even more. Alright. I don't care about this now right now. Alright, just a helper function. So what does the helper function is gonna do? It's gonna take it is gonna take prepositions that we can use. No, what am I doing? Chessboard and n. N. Free positions, get free positions, chessboard and helper and free positions for auto position in free positions. We're gonna choose take the queen, like put the queen. We will have to call I plus 1. And the base case is gonna be I equals to n. Right. What we are going to do, we totally forgot about a back the result. What is here? We need this. We need a result. Oh, we don't need a result here. It's a global variable. Um, pushback, 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 pushback. A chessboard, like this chessboard, and just return and call helper for I plus 1 and take away queen, take away the queen. All right, now let's just like putting the queen and taking away the queen. Let's just, what's that called? Let's just decompose this whole solution, and put queen is gonna be one method and take away the queen is gonna be another method. All right. All right. Um, da, 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 da. Put queen, and then what's it called? Like attack tiles. You know what? All right, this is wrong. This is wrong syntax. Everybody chill. Everyone chill. I think this is right now. Int x is this, y is this. I think this is a good C++ syntax. Not good, but correct. Put queen. All right. X, no, X and Y. Don't fuck this up. Equals, queen. Now we need to put attack tiles. We also need size here. What we need to do is to iterate 0 to n, which will put the horizontal, no, just horizontal and vertical, and then we'll put diagonals. This is not a hard problem, I think. The hardness comes from just this mechanical setting of bits, basically. The problem is really easy. Like this, I think is an not that difficult solution. Yeah. Mechanics, yeah, this is not difficult. I think, at least I think. Put the queen. Put the queen. All right, all right, all right, all right. For int I equals 0, we need I to go up to all the way up to the n I plus plus, and what we need to do is chessboard. All right, y and I is equals to no, attacked. This is attacked. Like this is not equals I think this will do for the oh damn diagonals. Now this is a how do we do that? All right, we have x and y, and we need to go like diagonals, right? So when we have x and y, we all right, left diagonal is gonna be like x minus 1, y minus 1. Then x minus 2, y minus 2. Like minus all of this stuff. Yeah. And then x and y. And then x plus 1, y plus 1. And then x plus 2. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't fuck this up. X plus 2, y plus 2. So this is, let's take this is x and y. This is x minus 1, y minus 1. This is x plus 1, y plus 1. All right, left diagonal is okay. Left diagonal is okay. How about right diagonal? Right, we have x and y, and the y is decrementing, but the x is increasing. All right, so x plus 1 and y minus 1. And the next is gonna be x plus 2, y minus 2. All right. So now going down, this is gonna be x minus 1, but y plus 1. Y plus 1. X minus 1, x minus 1, y plus 1. Gonna be, then it is gonna be x minus 2, y plus 2, right? So this is an important thing to consider, right? Now, like this I iterator here, this I number here is not gonna be, it can't be bigger than n. It can't be n probably, because if we are here, mm, all right, 3, this is gonna be coordinate, it's gonna be 3, this is gonna be 2, 1, 0, 0 to n, like pretty much same as here. But we need to check if this whole thing is in the bounds, right? I'm talking very loud, very slowly and badly, but all right, I think we need another function. So like if this is gonna be less, like if any coordinate, since we're talking about chessboard, which is a square, if x or y coordinate is gonna be less than n and more than or equal to 0, it's gonna be okay. Otherwise, it's just gonna be out of bounds. So what are we going to do here is if uh, whoa, right, let's just set left diagonal. Setting left diagonal means chessboard. All right, I will not talk because talking just make things worse now. Um, Alright. Alright. This is alright, my code is just getting too fucking ugly. This is getting too fucking ugly. Alright, like get 3 positions. This is not enough. Alright, this is enough. This is enough. No, 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 no. Don't leave. Don't leave my brain. Don't leave me right now. I'm in an important position. One person might be watching me, who might be my girlfriend. Who knows? Might be someone else. Don't leave me. Might be doing something good here. These if statements are getting out of hand right now. Like ugly, ugly. This is ugly code. Oh my god, this is ugly code. This is really bad code, bad quality. This code definitely needs redesigning. I think it just I can generate, so like this is what I am doing really, but I'm changing the values of this. If I can generate all the like all the values, all of these values, but all right, just this is ugly code. I could have very easily made a yes, and I made a solution, and I made a mistake, right? Here we need x plus 1, mister. X plus 1, not something else. X plus 1, y minus I. Ugh. Oh my mamma mia. Oh mamma mia. I need some songs, man. Need some songs. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. Mamma mia, cellarona, na 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 na. Alright, I'm just tweaking out right. How long have I been recording this? 40 minutes? 40 minutes for one problem, I think it's too much. I think this problem is hard for you if you're doing this is just bad code, but Oh my god, but it will hopefully work. Bad code, but will hopefully work. Like, take this back. Now we need to. All right, we need to put the queen. Put queen. Chessboard on a given chessboard with size n with given position. And this is gonna be pair of intervals. My god, position. And then we need to do this. Take away the queen. Take queen. Take away the queen. Take out queen. Put queen and remove queen maybe. All right, whatever. All right, take away queen. And the helper function will be called last. I always wanted to use word last, but n I plus 1 and a chessboard? Really? Just is that simple? I might be missing something. Take away queen. All right, just now we need to do this stuff all over again. Oh my god. Oh, this is a bad code. Like, if somebody is watching me, this is gonna be a shame. Take away queen. This is gonna be bad. I don't think I need this anymore. I might not need this. Oh, this is a problematic thing because look, I might put queen here and then this will be tagged as an attacked tile, right? But this can already be attacked by this queen. So, oh my god, this is hard. So, like, we need to do this, but we need to make sure that this tile is not attacked by other queens. All right, actually, here is queen, which means queen is not attacked. But other tiles, attacked tiles, can be attacked by other queens. This might be too much. I might be pushing my limits here. I might get stuck. So on a given, the given tile, how do I know if it is attacked? This is another function that I need to write. All right, you know what? The solution is not gonna be right, but whoa, I have one idea. All right, we can't take away the queen. Like this is gonna be an algorithm that is just a pain to write. Before putting the queen, let's just save a copy of the chessboard. All right, copying will take a lot of time, but it's easy to code. Like copying the chessboard will be n squared, right? It should be n squared. O of n squared. Put queen. Before the putting the queen, we need to chessboard is this thing. We need to save copy chessboard. What is it called in virtual machine? Snapshot. Snapshot of chessboard. Yeah, buddy. Yes. Chessboard. This might not be. And then later. And later, the taking away means just restoring, i.e., restore the snapshot. Snapshot chessboard equals snapshot. Oof. Oof. I need to ask ChatGPT. I need to ask ChatGPT. Sorry, everyone. Sorry, me, but I need to ask ChatGPT. In C++ function, we have argument this. Inside of this function, I need to get a deep copy of that chessboard in a different variable. I don't need a pointer copy. I don't need the copy to just point to the same chessboard. I need a new copy of chessboard. How to do that? Minimal code, minimal code, and explanation, please. How, like, that simple? This creates a deep copy of chessboard because vector and string handle deep copying by default. Changes to copy won't affect chessboard. Okay, then how to get a pointer copy? Okay, then how to get a pointer copy? Wow. To a new deep copy. To get a pointer copy, a pointer to a new deep copied vector. No, I need no, I just need another, no, I just need a pointer, a new pointer variable to existing chessboard. That it? That it? Really? Chessboard is keep in mind that already passed. All right. So if take away queen function, no, we don't need take away queen function anymore. We just need put queen, put queen. So put queen, in a principle, put queen should be like a decent, if it's not attacked, override. If it's not attacked, attack. I don't think this matters anymore. I don't think it matters, but put queen. I need a new helper function. I need a new helper function, guys. Now, right now, I'm just putting the queen in a free position, and in any free position. Okay. Like, this thing should work now. Like, result pushback, just run. Oh, 0 is that thing. Compiler, really? Really? Come on, compiler, tell me a runtime error. That's bad. That is bad. Where did that happen? Oh, I don't even know where that happened. Like this might be causing. No, this can't be causing because I'm checking. Y minus I, I'm checking. X minus I, I'm also checking. X plus 1, X plus I am checking. Y plus I am, whoa, that's a problem. That's a problem here, guys. Plus, I think this might be a problem. Y plus, whoa, another problem. Maybe another problem? That's trash. That's trash. Minus I. And X plus I. Y minus. Another runtime error. Same. Addition of unsigned. The bounds are not. Alright, I'm too fucking tired for this shit. Get free position n for, I think n from here, +1 pair of queens vector snapshot da 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 da. Take away queen. I'm just too. For some reason, I don't want to. I don't want to get rid of. If it's already attacked, who cares? I already have a snapshot, so yeah. One of those stuff might be causing. Still. Guys, where? You know, just get rid of this stuff. That's stupid. Like, the comments are just making the code look messy. No. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. We don't need you. Alright, I'm checking this stuff here. I checked this. I checked it. X minus I checked x minus I, y plus I also checked it. I checked, oh, here. Y minus I did not check that. Yeah. No. This should be plus. This should be plus. And this should be plus. Run again, please. We compiled at least. But our output was completely. Oh damn. Oh boy. This is not good. Output, clean output. Oh, here's a. Oh, whoa. In this case, we didn't even get any output. Why is that? Like, why? I'll tell you why is that probably. Probably because, like, we should get rid of ace. Get rid of ace. Yeah, get rid of ace. Q. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. If it's not... That's actually funny. Like, I actually made one in this case correct. Now, what is wrong with this output? What's wrong with this? Why is it not reached? Why not? Like, alright, every time a helper is called, let's just see out helper called. I. give up. I give up. Let's just read the write up, man. Just read the write up. I'm just too tired for this shit. More than 1 hour. Brutal. So how is this save function working? All right, we have row and column, right? Which row and then which column? So C is that and row is that. A board. This is gonna be board. C and column, board, row and column. See, so we're given this like particular row and column. First, what it is doing is trying different rows. Like, yeah, like if we're taking on, if we're standing on the same column, like this row, is it safe? Is this row safe? This is doing that. This is doing something a little bit odd. Like, whoa, what's that? I starts as row and J starts as column. So like that's I and J, row and column, and J, and all right. And the same thing, but the previous row, but previous row they're both decrementing. I and J are both decrementing, so this is going left up. This is going left up, and this is going left down. I -1 and J plus plus. Where this is going, I don't get this. We'll have I and J and C plus 1. J column 1. C plus 1. All right, like I R minus like previous row and the next column, like previous row and next column. This doesn't make any sense. And then the columns are increasing. But the row is decreasing. So this goes right up. Is it? It goes right up. Right, like this iteratively only checks for a given chessboard coordinate. If this column is safe, it checks the whole column actually, and it also checks if the top stuff is going good, like minus 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 minus, like this just goes from the given coordinate, it goes left up, uh, this is up, and this is left, basically. Yeah, yeah, so it checks this and it checks this, and this is going right, and this is going up. All right. So yeah, we are, no, this is only checking not the whole, but uh, r minus one. Like, assumption is, in this function, assumption is that the chessboards is only going to be filled in the top rows, um, which is a right assumption, because we're gonna increment r and we're gonna iterate over c. So, right, this makes a lot of sense. This makes a lot of sense. All right, I'm too tired, and now this is too spoiled for me. So I'm gonna go. I think we were doing the similar stuff. It's just more optimized, nothing special. So we are doing the backtracking. We have a board. Um, we did. So the assumption is that we're gonna fill in the first row, and there we are going to fill in the next row, right? And then we're gonna backtrack, and we're gonna do the same row but a different column, like that. This is the, basically this is an assumption, and this is right, because what I did, I I did, I think, getting r from a recursive call and then iterating over c's is smarter. It's gonna be a faster algorithm. I can make this code work somehow. Somehow it will work, but it's not gonna be efficient or elegant. So that's it for today. I wanted to play this video game, which is about Git, but yeah, whatever. I don't care about this anymore. I'm too tired. Have a good night if anybody's watching. And that was it.